You can easily set up your computer to automatically sleep after a certain time by following the following steps. Click on your search bar, regardless if you have Windows 7, 8, 10, or 11, and type Control Panel. Click on the Control Panel to open. As a next step, if you have a different view than mine, just click by category. Click on System and Security. And under Power Options, there is Change Battery Settings. You want to click on that. As a next step, click on the last option on the left, Change when the computer sleeps. And here you have two options, one for the battery and one when it's plugged in. So you can change these two as needed. And once done, you can go ahead and click Save Changes. Once done, your computer will start going into sleep if not being used for a certain period when it's on the battery and also when it's plugged.